We all know that throwing away food ain't cheap, but did you know that preserving food can actually save you a pretty penny? Here's a few reasons why food preservation matters. Number one, it saves you money. Need I say more? With food prices higher than a Georgia pine, you don't want to be throwing out nothing. Number two, it cuts waste. Tossing good food is like throwing dollar bills in the trash. Not a good look. Number three, it gets you ready for the unexpected. Storms, power outages, tight budgets, you name it. And number four, it keeps traditions alive. Our mamas and grandmas weren't preserving food for fun. They did it to make sure their families had what they needed. Now don't you go thinking you need all the bells and whistles to start preserving. Here's a few easy ways to get started right now. Air dry herbs. Just hang 'em upside down in the kitchen. It looks cute and keeps them fresh. Freeze what you can. Blanch your veggies. Freeze fruits on a tray first so they don't stick and label everything. Quick pickle. Just vinegar, salt, and spices in a jar. Pop it in the fridge and you're good to go. Make fruit leather in the oven. Old fruit, who cares? Just blend it up, spread it thin on some parchment and bake low and slow. Croutons and breadcrumbs. Don't toss stale bread. Toast it for croutons or blitz it into crumbs. Infused oils and vinegars, herbs, garlic, even citrus peels. It makes you feel fancy with almost no effort. Now I know a bunch of y'all out there have some family secrets or homestead tricks too, so drop your favorite preservation tips down in the comments. I'd love to learn from you. Well, that's a wrap, y'all. If you like this video or learned something new, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Sugar, most folks watching ain't subscribed yet, and that helps more than you know. At the end of the day, food preservation is just taking care of what we've been blessed with. Whether you're growing your own or stretching a grocery haul, it all counts. Until next time, stay blessed, stay grateful, and don't let good food go to waste.